Good afternoon, friends. In the last video, we have seen cosmetic options in Power BI Desktop for tables and matrix. In this video, we will learn next option, cell elements. Actually, cell elements means conditional formatting. In the old version, they mention this option means cells element as a conditional formatting, but now name has been changed. So we will see one by one all the options regarding this cell elements. For that, we have to create one table here. I'm going to select here subcategory and sales. So here in cell elements, you can select the option. There are two options, subcategory and sum of sales. So we have to apply this for sum of sales, and you have to just on the background color. So here you can see this maximum value as dark blue color and minimum value as a light blue color. So this is the basically use of cell elements. If you click on the FX button, then you can apply your own rule. For example, if I select the rules here, and here I want to know the values which are greater than 1 lakh. So here if value is greater than equal to 1 lakh and less than equal to max, and color should be red. You have to select your number and just click on OK button. So here I think I have to change the color for better visibility. And click on OK button, and now you can find all the values which are greater than 1 lakh. So this is the way we can use conditional formatting or cell elements in Power BI Desktop. Next, here I am going to add state and the profit. So here you can find more values if you compare with the values of subcategory. So for better understanding, we have to select sum of profit here and the background color, and here we want to know the value which are less than 0, means profit is less than 0. So here if value is greater than equal to 0, here and color should be this one. You have to select number. So here you can find all the negative values marked with our app selected color. So this is the way we can apply conditional formatting or cell elements here in Power BI Desktop. Another way, when I'm going to add some more elements here in table. Suppose for subcategory add sales, quantity, profit, and discount. So here again you have to go to cell elements and one by one we can apply conditional formatting to particular column. So if I select sum of cells here for background color, I have on background color button here, so you can easily understand the values which are greater than 3 lakh have dark blue color, maximum value have a dark blue color, and the minimum value have faint blue color. We have shown this in the earlier tables. Again, then for sum of quantity, if I select sum of quantity and use the on the font color button, so here you can see it's actually not visible perfectly, but I will try to, you can understand easily. Here maximum value as dark blue color, font dark blue font color, and minimum value have faint blue color, means font color. So this is the way we can apply font color also using our conditional formatting option. Then next one is sum of profit. Here if I am going to on data bars, so as per the value it shows data bars for our understanding. And the last one is sum of discount. If I on this icon button, so it shows the icons as per the discount values. So if I click on FX button, we can set the different rules here. These are the default rules. So here I am going to change the rule. So here you can check the changes. Here we have changed the rule, basically values, percentage values. So it shows as per the our criteria the values between 0 to 20%. So basically it shows the values in the percentage, and we have the values in the number data. So it's up to actually as per the percentage it's showing the values here. So this is the way we can use the conditional formatting or cell elements here. Here also reverse icon order also available. You can change the icons as per your requirement. Also, if you want to learn the more things, you can click on learn more about condition formatting option. So this is the way we can use conditional formatting in Power BI desktop. So it's very challenging and very interesting topic. We can use in table and matrix particularly to show the data or to analyze the data with the number or percentage. So thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel, Job at Punyanagari. Like and share my videos. Thank you.